In the heart of Bucarest's prestigious Pipera area, nestled next to the enchanting Băneasa forest, we invite you to explore the epitome of sophistication in real estate. Welcome to Oxygen Home, where luxury meets nature. Every detail is a testament to architectural excellence, crafted with unwavering attention and dedication. This exceptional property has not only captured the hearts locally, but has also garnered international acclaim. Proud recipients of 2 prestigious awards at the Luxury Lifestyle Awards 2023 and Green Homes, Oxygen Home stands as a symbol of unparalleled luxury. Our villas redefine elegance. As you ascend to the second floor, you'll be captivated by a spectacular rooftop offering a generous area with endless possibilities for your personal touch. Oxygen Home introduces a new era of intelligent living. Seamlessly integrated, our state-of-the-art functionalities provide you with unparalleled comfort. Control every aspect of your home through simple voice commands or directly from your smartphone. Climate control, temperature, humidity, air ionization, and purification. House security system, automated access, main door, garage door, and courtyard gate. Interior lighting, exterior house and garden lighting, curtain and drapery operation, jacuzzi control, high-finity door operation, spa area. Fireplace control, irrigation and drainage system, audio system, entertainment system, facial recognition security code. Crafted with precision, Oxygen Home boasts robust specifications, ensuring a blend of durability and luxury. Oxygen Home is not just a residence, it's a genuine presence in the embrace of nature, creating an exclusive community. If you seek a home that offers well-being and the luxury you truly deserve, look no further. Oxygen Home is your perfect choice.